Good day, everyone. We are from group in 6B class. Want to present the result of our interview in the Manado Post in order to fulfill the exam task about the TKM implementation factor in company, and we choose Manado Post for the interview. Allow me to introduce our group members. There are Christine Angel Thomas, Aulia Baharudin, Chiquita Turang, and Jurgen Pereira. An overview of company. In this interview, we choose Manado Post as the result for the interview. Manado Post was established under the management of a company incorporated as PT Wenang Cemerlang Press. The company is led by the President Commissioner, Commissioner President, Director to Director. Manado Post is also a group of the Jawa Post Groups, national media. Manado Post, which has journalists, is in 15 directs and cities in North Sulawesi, 1 Biro Jakarta, and 7 editors. The content president is diverse. All products are available in printed Manado Post Online, Manado Post endorsement, Instagram Manado Post, Twitter and Facebook Manado Post in the city of Manado. There are posts covering law, defense, security, government, politics, economics, religion, and so on. To maintain the management of the Manado Post newspaper, in order to be liked by readers, Manado Post carries the slogan accurate, thorough, reliable. Furthermore, TKM information will be explained in chapter 3.
Top management commitment. It should be noted beforehand that Manado Post is 34 years old, and during that time, the commitment was held to ensure that the news presented to readers and subscribers must be complete, accurate, and reliable, and also committed to not making hoax news. Even if there is news that is complained, it will be corrected through the right to reply. Customer focus and satisfaction. To satisfy customers and readers, Manado Post conducted an evaluation. Before the pandemic, every day the division in the Manado Post conducted an initial evaluation to discuss what to do on that day and had a meeting at 4 p.m. and was chaired by the person in charge of the existing divisions. And because of the pandemic, evaluation meetings were held only via Zoom or chat on WhatsApp. And if there is criticism in input as discussed earlier, Manado Post will accept it by displaying the right of reply from the reader. And then next about the quality policy. To implement the quality policy, Manado Post itself is a legal company since its establishment 34 years ago. And every employee who enters Manado Post must have at least a bachelor's degree with an average GPA of 3. And then about their employee training, it should be noted that Manado Post has several divisions, and for journalists who apply, of course they must submit an application with a GPA of 3, and after the application process, the Manado Post evaluates their CV, and those who meet the criteria will be summoned and immediately carry out training the following day. And training from prospective journalists was conducted indoors for 2 weeks and provided material by the existing redactors. And after the indoor training, then they will be released outside, such as post coverage of the North Sulawesi Police, the Attorney General's office, and others. And during the training period, the trainers will be evaluated by the editors every afternoon. And then their employee involvement. What is done by managers to maintain the performance of employees and journalists? Manado Post always conducts evaluation. Redactors and editors are always reminded to escort journalists so that their performance remains stable from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
And the next is employee empowerment. In employee empowerment, Manado Post provides motivation and always evaluates the performance of its employee every day. The evaluations are carried out per day, every morning and evening. And the next is reward and recognition. At Manado Post, every employee who performs well will receive a reward from his superiors because of the result of their hard work, for example, getting a bonus, and for Christian employees can get the opportunity to go to on spiritual tourism in Israel, and for Muslim to go to Hajj. That's an example of a reward, and for recognition, for example, is promotion. And the next, there are communication and information system. To build a good communication between employees, Manado Post holds gatherings at the end of the year, not only for all of its employees, but also for all of its employees' families too, to maintain good kinship. And for information system, Manado Post has made quite a lot of platforms. Apart from printing, Manado Post has begun to switch to Manado Post Online, Manado Post Digital, Manado Post Facebook, Manado Post and Manado Post Instagram. And the next is benchmarking. Every news company has a survey, and the survey for media and entertainment companies is still Manado Post, which is on the top board in North Sulawesi. This makes Manado Post has high competitiveness, and to maintain it, Manado Post provides completed, accurate, and detailed news. And the last part of TKM implement factors, there are continuous improvement. The things that Manado Post do in order to survive and continue to develop in terms of improving their products and services are like the points previously mentioned. Manado Post will continue to provide complete, actual, and reliable news, and for its products, Manado Post will still produce print media or newspaper, and it will be improved for online media as well as time will be more advanced. So Manado Post will continue to keep up with the times and adapt to make it better. And that is the result of the interview with TKM Factor implementation, with the interview source Dren Regar SH as the coordinator of Manado Post coverage. Thank you.
Chapter 4, Discussion of the Finding. Chapter 5, Conclusions and Recommendations. On last Friday, our group conducted interviews in Manado Post, corporate in the field of media and entertainment companies, and from the results of these interviews, we got an understanding of the questions we interviewed. We received clear and actual answers to our questions. Of all the questions we have, Manado Post has all of the TKM implementation factors. And the conclusion from the interview we got was that Manado Post priorities news that is actual, anti-racial, anti-hoax, and reliable. And for the company's future targets, namely to increase the news posts on social media and continue to produce newspapers that have become its trademark. In the 4.0 era, Manado Post has also begun to train journalists or editors to compile news more quickly so that they are not inferior to other media. The writing style of not abandoned, only improved. If previously journalists usually compile newsletter in the afternoon near the deadline, now our journalists are trained to compose news since the interview was conducted. Because currently Manado Post also has online media, Manado Post, JawaPost.com. The presence of Manado Post online is also to ensure the times print is not left out, because when there is incomplete information in online reporting, it is usually reviewed in full in the print Manado Post.